How to change language in Google Photos. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Google Photos. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over, open your Google Photos application, whether you want to do it on iOS or Android device. Simply open it and then you're going to navigate to your profile at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all your profile information. So you're going to click on manage your Google account. And then you'll be redirected to Google account settings. So over here, you're going to click on personal information and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on language under the section of general preferences for the web. Click on language and here you'll be able to see all of the languages listed. So you can simply search for the language that is suitable for you. If you're not able to find that language over here, you can click on add another language and simply select any language. All of the languages are available here. Simply select the one and click on save and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can change language in Google Photos. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.